What's up guys, this is my little brother's 2002 Isuzu Trooper LTD. The title of the video is probably already given it away, but we're going to be talking about the rod knock that this engine has developed. Before I begin, don't worry, the clips of me driving were shot a while before. I did not drive around with a bad engine. By way of introduction to Isuzu's 6VE1W 3.5 liter V6, this engine was used across Isuzu's lineup. It's in the Trooper, the Rodeo, the V-Cross, and the Axiom, and it's an engine that has a very nasty habit of oil consumption. This issue has plagued the engine from the very beginning, and it has a very high engine failure rate due to oil starvation because people do not monitor the fluid level. You can probably tell where I'm going with this. Whose fault is this? Well, it's entirely ours. Like I said, this is my little brother's truck. He drives it, I don't. I work nights. We both kind of skimped on checking the fluid levels, and so if we'd been a little more vigilant, this would not have happened. So what's the future hold for the Trooper? Well, we're going to be keeping it. We're simply going to be pulling a used motor from the salvage yard and throwing it back in here. For such an old vehicle, it does seem a little crazy, so the question has to be asked, why would anyone even bother with it? Well, I'll give you a couple of reasons. Number one, it is in great shape otherwise. The transmission is less than 2 years old. It was replaced professionally on the previous owner's dime. Reason number two, my family loves this truck. We've always had Troopers. We've always tried to keep one in the family. They've always been good to us, and so we'd like to keep it. The third reason wasn't really a deciding factor, but it is a pretty unique party feature that the Trooper has. The sunroof is massive. It's gigantic. When fully opened, people in the back seat can stand straight up, comfortably. You don't have to twist your body into any weird, crazy position or anything. And so one of our favorite things to do is we'll find a quiet back road and we'll all pile into the back seat. Someone gets to drive and we'll go flying down the road, all holding onto the roof rack with our heads out the window. But anyway, that brings me to the conclusion of my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next video.